Today I'm doing a special Jimmy Choo unboxing, so let's go! Hello guys, I'm very excited to be back on this YouTube channel, and today I have a special unboxing for Jimmy Choo. If you know or don't know, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 27 years old, I live in Barcelona, but I'm French. And my favorite brand for shoes is Jimmy Choo. Why? Simple as this is very comfy. First, this is super important. And also because they have very different style. You can have like lots of different style, and this is what I love about them. You have very high heels pretty normal, sandals, sneakers, you even have SLGs, bags and stuff and so on. And also what I prefer about them is that they have a bridal shoe collection, which is just insane and amazing. Like if I marry one day my boyfriend, I will do it in Jimmy Choo. Like, this is obvious. I worked for Jimmy Choo like a little while ago. So this is why I really know well the brand, I really love the brand, and these are the best shoes ever. And also because you could see Jimmy Choo in Sex and the City, and this is like where I fell in love with the brand. Anyway, I'm very happy because I bought this on Vinted. If you don't know what Vinted is, it's mostly for European. So in Europe, like in France, Spain, Netherlands, I think in Belgium, Austria, Germany and so on. And this is a marketplace where you can buy and sell things. Like you can sell clothes, shoes, handbags, accessories, home accessories, anything online. And you have also luxury stuff. But as it is a marketplace, you have also a lot of fake items. And this is a problem about Vinted. I usually don't buy luxury items on Vinted because you have so many fakes on it. This is insane, and I really hate fakes, because it is wrong to buy fake, guys, because you participate to the black economy, and this is not good because you are kind of involved in drug system, in traffic human system and so on. So this is really bad to do it. You maybe don't know what you're buying, but in the end you help collaborate with drug system, traffic humans and so on. So I really don't advise you to buy fake items, and plus, why buying like fake items? For the price, come on. You have other bags really nice for less cheaper than luxury if you cannot afford luxury, of course. Anyway, I have a new one here that I want to open with you guys. And these are shoes. Obviously, it could have been a bag because Jimmy Choo has bags also. One is really nice, by the way. I really love it. I will show you one day. But anyway, I wanted to buy white sneakers, so I got them for Christmas from Celine. In this video, I'm gonna link it here. And I saw another pair at Jimmy Choo, like 2 or 3 other pair at Jimmy Choo that I really loved. And then I went for Celine because Jimmy Choo did not have my size back then, so I could not buy them. And they were having sales actually. Like Jimmy Choo had sales, it was between 40 and 50% off. So I was pretty sad because the Celine one were not on sale, but they are very comfy and they're very stylish. So I'm actually very happy in the end. Anyway, I'm gonna open them for you guys, and I'm gonna give you the whole story and the price of how much I got them. So I got the bag, and they are from the Netherlands. So I'm very happy. Okay, like the girl who sold me was from Amsterdam, I think. Well. So I have the white box, and you have all the stickers here. So it says it's a Hawaii glitter basic white sneaker. So if you know the model, like the shoes, you know. I took a 37 size because usually I'm 37, and for heels I'm 37.5, depends. But mostly 37 is good. You have the stickers here, that's all good. Anyway, I'm gonna open this for you. Here, I have a little paper, useless. Okay, so these ones were on sale on Vinted, and I usually don't buy on Vinted because you have so many fakes, but I knew this pair of shoes, I saw them in store. Well, I saw it in store so I could see like the difference, and I know now, fake, no fake, I can tell. So anyway, they were on Vinted, they were sold with the black laces, and I wanted the white one, and I knew they had it, so I asked her if she had them, and she said yeah, and brand new because she never used them. So here are the white laces. So I'm very happy because I will be able to change them. So I'm gonna open them for you. little bit of ASMR. Okay, so they were not brand new. They were worn like maybe 1 or 2 times, so but still in very, very, very good condition. So I wanted to try, like, first time on buying luxury on Vinted, so it's a good one. So these are the babies here. As you can see, it's the white and black laces, and I don't really like them. It's written Jimmy Choo on it. I don't really like. I'm gonna put the white one anyway. They are on very, very good condition actually, and she did not lie. They were worn like maybe 1 or 2 times. So as I'm very happy. These ones are very nice because you have a high and more large sole here. They are a bit more heavy than the Celine one, but they are in such a good condition. Like, I'm shocked. It's, for me, it's like brand new actually. It's just, yeah, it's amazing. I really love it. And what I love about these sneakers is that you have little strass here. It's very small, but I really like that, the details of the shoes. So they are a bit more, well, how can I say, not rude, but they are more, maybe less comfy at first than the Celine one, because the Celine one are very flexible, very, very light, and these one are less. But someone who has them told me they are very, very comfy. So I will have to try them, to wear them like a couple of times to get comfy inside, I guess. And yay! So for the price for this one, they were at 130 euro on Vinted, and I was able to negotiate, because on Vinted you can negotiate, so I was able to negotiate them at like 110 euro. So this is really cheap for Jimmy Choo, so I'm very happy. And as I am a seller on Vinted too, I sold multiple things, and so I did not really pay them because I received money from myself and I used them for buying this one. So it was like a kind of a Vinted wallet. So I did not pay really for them. I paid them, for, of course it was my money, but I did not have to credit them on my bank account. So I was really happy actually to do that. So it's a 0 euro like transaction, I can say. Anyway, I'm freaking happy for these ones because I really do love them. They're very, very nice, and I can't wait to wear them. Well, thank you for watching this video. This is the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you are as excited as I am. And if you want them, I really, really, really advise you to buy these ones. They are amazing. And I think they're gonna be very comfy because the sole is not very flat. And yeah, this is good actually, because when you buy sneakers and the sole is very flat, it's not very good for you. Like, I don't advise you to buy this kind of shoes. So these ones are so great. So if you are looking for white sneakers with a nice budget, I advise you to go to Jimmy Choo or to go to Celine. At first I wanted the white sneakers from Chanel, but come on, more than 1,000 euros for a pair of sneakers, it's a no. Definitely no. So yeah, that's why I went to Jimmy Choo and Celine for my sneakers. Thank you for watching again, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please consider like subscribing and click on the bell notification down below the video. I will try to link everything in the description of this video. I will try to link like different shoes from Jimmy Choo that I like, the white sneakers, the Celine one also. I will try to link everything in the description. So please just check below and you'll got everything. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in 2 seconds because I'm gonna put like here 2 other videos you need to watch. Thank you again, and I'll see you another time. Bye bye. Bisous.